Welcome to Minted Wonders. Today we're diving into 10 side hustles that can boost your monthly income by $1,000 or more. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and let's get started. Starting with our first side hustle, freelance writing. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. These platforms connect freelancers with clients looking for writing services. To succeed, focus on building a strong profile that highlights your expertise, includes a compelling portfolio, and sets reasonable rates. Utilize keywords relevant to your niche to enhance visibility. Tips on creating a compelling profile. Showcase your writing style, experience, and expertise. Include a professional photo and a well-crafted bio. Attach samples of your best work to provide a glimpse of your capabilities. Securing high-paying gigs. Start by taking on smaller projects to build a positive reputation and gather reviews. As you gain experience and positive feedback, gradually increase your rates. Network within the platform and explore opportunities beyond to maximize your income potential. Dropshipping on Etsy. Explore the potential of selling unique products. Identify a niche or unique product that aligns with your interests. Conduct market research to understand demand and competition. Leverage Etsy's creative community by offering items that stand out. Insights on product selection and marketing. Optimize your product listings with high-quality images and compelling descriptions. Implement effective SEO strategies to improve visibility. Utilize social media to showcase your products and engage with potential customers. Digital marketing services. Offering services like social media management or content creation. Define your niche within digital marketing based on your skills and interests. Develop a portfolio that showcases your previous work, highlighting successful campaigns or projects. Tips on building a personal brand. Establish a strong online presence through a professional website and active social media profiles. Demonstrate your expertise by sharing valuable content related to digital marketing trends. Network with other professionals in the industry. Attracting clients. Leverage social media, online forums, and professional networks to connect with potential clients. Provide case studies or success stories to showcase the impact of your services. Offer initial consultations to understand client needs and demonstrate your value. Online tutoring. Explore platforms like Chegg Tutors or Wyzant. These platforms connect tutors with students seeking assistance. Create a detailed profile highlighting your qualifications, experience, and areas of expertise. Strategies for setting competitive rates. Research the prevailing rates for tutors in your subject area. Consider offering introductory rates or package deals for multiple sessions. Showcase your credentials and positive reviews to justify your pricing. Marketing yourself. Actively participate in forums or communities related to your subject matter. Share valuable tips and insights to establish yourself as an expert. Request testimonials from satisfied students to build credibility. Affiliate marketing. How to promote products and earn commissions. Identify products or services that align with your audience's interests. Sign up for affiliate programs and generate unique tracking links. Create content, such as blog posts or videos, incorporating these links. Share personal success stories. Document your affiliate marketing journey, detailing successful campaigns or strategies that worked for you. Be transparent about challenges and lessons learned. Common pitfalls to avoid. Be aware of potential pitfalls, such as promoting products solely for commissions without considering their relevance to your audience. Understanding the significance of authenticity in affiliate marketing is crucial. Before we move on to the next side hustle, I want to take a moment to share a key insight. Success in side hustles often comes from finding the right balance between passion and profitability. So, as we explore these opportunities, consider not just the financial gains but also how they align with your interests. Now, let's continue with side hustle number 6, virtual assistants. Make the most of the current surge in demand for virtual assistants. Virtual Assistant Networking Association, VANA, is a platform connecting virtual assistants with businesses in need of remote support. There are various tasks virtual assistants can handle, from administrative duties to specialized services. Tips on time management. Virtual assistants often juggle multiple tasks for different clients. Use productivity tools, create schedules, and establish clear communication channels to manage tasks efficiently. Expanding your skill set. Stay updated on industry trends and acquire new skills to offer a broader range of services. Specializing in specific areas, such as social media management or email marketing, can make you more marketable. Stock photography. Explore selling photos on platforms like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. These platforms allow photographers to license their images for commercial use. Research the types of photos that sell well and gain an understanding of the importance of high quality and unique visuals. Insights on creating marketable images. Understand the needs of the market. Capture diverse subjects, pay attention to composition and lighting, and ensure your photos stand out. Building a portfolio with a variety of themes increases your chances of attracting buyers. Building a portfolio. Regularly update your portfolio with fresh, high-quality images. Consider creating themed collections or participating in challenges to showcase your versatility as a photographer. Fitness coaching. The potential of online fitness coaching. Empowering fitness coaches with innovative platforms like Trainerize. Online coaching revolutionizes the way personalized training plans are delivered to clients. Beyond the capabilities of specific tools, it's essential to recognize that online coaching, as a broader approach, offers unparalleled flexibility and scalability. In this digital era, the dynamic landscape of fitness guidance is evolving, and online coaching stands at the forefront of this transformation. Tips on creating personalized plans. Tailor workout and nutrition plans to individual client needs. Use technology to track progress and provide ongoing support. Showcase transformations and success stories to build credibility. Marketing your services. Leverage social media to share workout tips, success stories, and engage with potential clients. Offer free resources, such as workout videos or nutrition guides, to showcase your expertise and attract a larger audience. Ebook publishing. Unlock global opportunities with self-publishing on platforms like Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP for short. KDP empowers authors to effortlessly publish and distribute their ebooks worldwide. Experience the convenience of a user-friendly entry process, coupled with the immense potential for generating passive income. Insights on choosing a niche. Choose a niche you are passionate about and have knowledge in. Research popular genres and identify gaps in the market. Consider the potential audience and competition. Marketing your ebook. Develop a marketing plan that includes a captivating book cover, effective book description, and strategic pricing. Utilize social media, book promotions, and collaborations with other authors to increase visibility. Remote customer service. Explore opportunities with companies offering remote customer service positions. Many companies now offer remote customer service roles. Look for companies that frequently hire remote customer service representatives and research the skills needed. Tips on ACING interviews. Prepare for remote interviews by brushing up on your knowledge of technology, dressing professionally, and researching the company. Highlight the importance of demonstrating excellent communication and problem-solving skills. Providing excellent customer support. Gain an understanding of the significance of empathy, patience, and effective communication in remote customer service. Share examples of situations where going above and beyond for a customer led to positive outcomes to ensure you secure the role. And there you have it. 10 side hustles that could boost your monthly income. If you enjoyed today's video, hit the like button, share it, and comment below with your thoughts. Subscribe for more content on financial empowerment and entrepreneurship. Thanks for being here, and until next time, stay empowered.